That's cute. That's a cute bib. Are you ready to eat? Alright, buddy. Ready? Okay, we're going to pick what your first vegetable is going to be. The doctor says it has to be yellow or orange, so that's what we're choosing from. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay. You ready to pick? Yes. Alright. Here we go. What's it gonna be? That one? What is it? It's squash! Yay, little buddy! You get squash. It's your first vegetable. What do you think? You ready? Okay. Here we go. Smells good. Yeah, there's your smile. Okay. Here we go. Open up. I don't know.
Little buddy.
Squash is our favorite vegetable.
That was a funny face.
Not sure. Oh.
You're hilarious.
You are funny. Want to try another bite? That is too much, little boy. Are you even swallowing it, or are you just holding it in there? Let's see what's in your mouth. You do not like this, but you're still eating every bite. You get a whole shiver on the body. That is funny.
You're doing a great job, little buddy. You're doing a great job, little buddy.
He's still going, but he's just like...
Yeah.
You're funny. You're funny.
He wants more.
Alright.
He's tough.
Alright. Oh. You are too much, bud. You are too much.
You're doing a great job eating your veggies.
Wow, I think I'm going to taste this and see what's going on. Can I do what you did? It's not so bad. Not so bad. I don't know what kind of squash this is. It says organic squash. We don't know if it's butternut or yellow. Butternut and acorn squash. Poor thing. You want to keep going on?